Welcome back to Get Updated Now, and today we have another kind of 3-in-1 coffee. This is CLA coffee, and then they have these things in here. So CLA is 150 milligram, and then it has caffeine, which is a must if you're having coffee, right? And this is highest quality Arabica micro ground coffee beans that they're using, and the quality is really nice. Now again, this one is from Laperva, and I have shown you a few more from, like one more 3-in-1 coffee from them, and one which is like Arabic coffee, kahwa. But this 3-in-1 is much better than that 3-in-1 because of the things that are here. So this one is gluten free, and this one is quite expensive, but if you're planning to if you're looking for a really good quality of coffee, then you will never regret buying this. And then these are the things that are here. So in that one, there was some vegetable, there was a little quantity of vegetable oil, but here they are using coconut vegetable fat, which is totally hydrogenated, and lactose milk protein. So if you look at all these things in here in the ingredients, you'll feel that yes, this is a better option, and the sugar is really less. So and again, it's easy to make. This one will make you 150 ml of coffee. Now, where was it made? Yeah, it was made in Spain. Now we'll open the box, and here is the coffee. So let's see, we'll make it here for you, and then you can see how it looks like. And now we'll put it in the cup. So I can already smell the grounded, it seems to be freshly grounded Arabica coffee, and probably it was packed really well so it can keep the aroma. Now we are going to add 150 ml of hot water, and then I'll show you how it looks like. Here it is with water, and now it's ready to drink. So the color, you can see it's perfect. Aroma you cannot smell, but it is perfect. And yeah, so it looks smooth, and without it, you cannot see that there's any oil there, which is the best part. Otherwise, in 3-in-1 coffees, after some time you'll see that there's a layer of oil on top. Now this one, I forgot to tell you that it has CLA 150 grams, and then it has this Garcinia, that is 100 mg. Now both of them are good for weight loss, and they are good to keep your glucose levels down and to keep your cholesterol levels good. So that's why it's a good choice if you're looking for healthy options. And if you want, nothing is better than black coffee, I'm sure you all agree with that, but again, if you want something with milk and sugar, then you should, or you might like to try this. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.